Hey makers, I'm Sam with MakerFlo. Not only do I work here, but I'm a crafter just like you guys. Today we're gonna check out the MakerFlo Wine Tumbler versus a normal wine tumbler you might buy online. Let's see the results. Presentation matters. That's why MakerFlo tumblers come in a windowed box, perfect for gifting, retailing, and keeping your workstation organized. And this one? Either a plain box or no box at all. Not really retail ready. MakerFlo tumblers have a powder-coated finish that engraves beautifully and works great with UV DTF, vinyl decals, and epoxy. And the other option? Likely just painted, which means it's gonna chip over time. Our tumbler has a secure twist-on lid with a leak-proof slider. No spills whether you're on the go or working on an important project. The other tumbler? Not quite the same. Imagine this spilling next to your vinyl, laptop, or finished order. And MakerFlo tumblers come with a care card. That way customers know how to take care of them. And this other brand? Nothing. And our tumblers are completely blank. That means you can add your own logo and personalize with ease. Other tumblers? They might have a logo on them. At the end of the day, MakerFlo is made for makers. Our tumblers are double wall vacuum insulated, durable, and designed with crafters in mind. Plus we have great pricing, reliable stock, and super fast shipping from Chandler, Arizona. If you want something that actually works for your business, MakerFlo is the clear choice. Go to makerflo.com today and check us out.